Welcome to 6921 Breezy Palm Drive in Riverview, Florida, located in the gated community of Osprey Lakes West. This superbly designed corner unit townhouse has an incredible layout with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a bonus space, 1-car garage, and tons of storage. Next, you're going to want to head out onto your porch area where you have a lovely water view and fountain, just for that wonderful, easy morning coffee or tea or relaxing after a long day. The other thing that you're gonna totally love is this is a 2018 better than new build because it has been fully upgraded from those builder's materials. Also, it was built before all of those pesky supply chain issues we keep hearing about. So make sure you schedule your showing today. You're gonna be so happy you did.